Hello and welcome back to the Workbench. This is where we discuss ceiling fan history, trivia, and technical information. Today we're going to talk about Hansen. And if you're like me, you were surprised to learn that there were multiple companies with the name Hansen that were involved in the fan industry over the years. I, and whoever informed me, assumed they were all the same company. And in fact, it's not true. There are at least 3 companies with the name Hansen, and we're going to talk about them all in this video. We're going to talk about Hansen Manufacturing, Hansen Wholesale Fan Company, and Hansen Wholesale Electric. So, let's get started. Hansen Manufacturing. In 1975, Hansen Manufacturing was founded as Fans Unlimited, that was their first name, by Ray Hansen and Walter Pouchet in Cape Coral, Florida. This particular Hansen was out of Florida. Hansen patented the fan with a safety cage. Now, I've never seen this particular safety cage, but I'm pretty sure I know what it looks like because they introduced a slightly different version of it the following year that we're about to talk about, and I've seen that one. So I'm pretty sure it's the same thing, except for a detail. These safety cages were designed for Hunter and Emerson fans in both the 36 and 52-inch sizes. In 1976, they are now Hansen Manufacturing, and they are now introducing the Light Fantasy. This is their fan safety cage with lights mounted to it. Now, you may have seen one of these. I did a video tour of fan collector Jeff Doctor's house. He has one in his kitchen. I can't remember if his has a Hunter or an Emerson fan, but it's a 36-inch size. It's got the metal cage around the blades, and then mounted to the outside of the cage are several carriage house lights. It's incredibly cool. It's the kind of thing you can't hang just anywhere. He's got a really cool installation for it. I encourage you to go look at that video. I've also shown some of these pictured in advertising in some of my slideshows. If you look at the advertisement slideshows, you might see some there. If anybody has a picture of them besides from an ad, I would love to have it, so feel free to send it to me and I'll include it in a future slideshow. But that's the Light Fantasy, and they had a dimmer switch mounted to the bottom of the fan to control the lights. The fan was controlled with the 2-speed pull chain, because again, these are Blender fans and Hunter originals. They're really cool. I've seen the 52-inch and the 36-inch. I've seen 52-inch with originals, 36-inch with both Blender fans and originals. I don't think I've ever seen a 52-inch with a Blender fan, but allegedly they offered it. So that's 1976. They also offered that in 1977. In 1978, they offer the same thing, but now they include a 24-inch fan size. And I'm insanely curious about this, because what could the fan be? There weren't a lot of imports in 78 just yet, and there definitely wasn't any 24-inch import, so I'm thinking maybe a box fan motor. Never seen it, would love to see it. That's 78. 79. In 1980, they are now a full-on fan retailer. They are advertising Hunter, Caribbean Breeze, TAT, Westinghouse, DEMC, and Enco fans. That's 1980. In 1981, they are now Fan Fantasy, a division of Hansen Manufacturing, and they're adding Emerson to their brand roster. Of course, we know they always sold Emerson fans, because back in 75, when it was just a safety cage with nothing decorative, they offered it for Emerson fans. In 76, the Light Fantasy was offered with Emerson fans. So they sold Emerson fans the whole time, but they don't actually advertise Emerson fans separate from the Light Fantasy until 81. In 1982, they started advertising Casablanca fans, specifically the Zephyr 3, which is kind of cool because the Zephyr 3 has the little dimmer in the center, which is what the Light Fantasy has. Coincidence? I don't know, but I think it's cool. They also introduced the Hunter Comfort Breeze in 82. They're still offering the Light Fantasy. In 82, you can still get a fan with a cage and carriage lights around it. In 83, now they are changing the name of the company again to Hansen Fan Fantasy, and in addition to everything else we talked about, they're now selling Lumidomes. So you can get a fan with a lighted cage around it. You can get a lighted ceiling with a fan in it. There's so many different ways you can have lights and fans, all from Hansen Manufacturing, aka Hansen Fan Fantasy, as of 83. In 84, they merge with Design Lighting, different company, to become Hansen Lighting Fan. That's 84. In 1987, that's their last year of advertisements. In 1989, their retail space is up for lease, so clearly the store is closed. And in 1991, the company is officially dissolved. That's Hansen Manufacturing out of Florida. Now let's go to the great state of California. So I'm going to make this note. Hansen Manufacturing of Florida started out as Fans Unlimited. By the next year, they were Hansen Manufacturing. It's interesting that this next Hansen company also didn't start out being named Hansen, but they didn't change their name to Hansen for several years. So let's get into it. 1986, Hansen Wholesale Fan Company was founded as the Old Time Ceiling Fan Company by Don and Barbara Hansen in Los Angeles, California. They offer Hunter originals, plus light kits and ornate add-ons. It's interesting, if you look at the ads, they say price varies based on how ornate the fan is. So basically you can get a plain Hunter, and the more ornate details they add to it, the more it costs. And in the pictures, they show oak leaf bottom plates, pretzel irons instead of the Hunter irons, very fancy 4-light kits, wingtip blades, and the little ornate things that you can stick on the side of the motor. I think Hunter offered them too, or something similar. All of that is shown in their pictures in 1976. Also in 1976, they offer the Casablanca fan, which is a CB1 gear drive fan. Same thing with 1977. In 1978, everything is the same except they no longer mention Casablanca. In 1979, they no longer mention the ornate options for the originals, but they still show them in pictures. So did they still sell them in 79? Not sure. In 1980, they start selling Hunter attic fans. In 1981, they offer the Homestead Whisper fan. And this is the only year that I can find that they advertised Homestead products all the way until they were a website. That doesn't mean they didn't sell them other years. It just means that they weren't advertised. That's 1981. In 1982 is when they changed from the Old Time Fan Company to Hansen Wholesale Fan Company. They will continue to use the Old Time Fan Company name, but 1982 is the first year of Hansen Wholesale, which is a very recognizable name today. And in 1982 also is when they start advertising Casablanca fans again. Once again, that doesn't mean they didn't sell Casablanca fans from 78 to 81. It just means they're not in any of their advertisements. So there's a chance that they didn't. In 82, they have all the models, the Panama, the Zephyr, all kinds of fun stuff. That's 82. Same in 83. In 1984, they start selling Encon fans, and they also introduced the Hunter Comfort Breeze. Up to that point, of course, Hunter, and, well, not sure when the Comfort Breeze is introduced, and maybe we'll do a video on that. But the only Hunter fans that they sold up to that point were originals, and the only Hunter fans that Hunter sold up until the introduction of the Comfort Breeze were originals. So that is 1984. Actually, I think I know that the Comfort Breeze was 82, right? 81 or 82. We'll cover that in another video. So that is 84. No change until 87, when they are officially a Casablanca dealer. I mean, they were a Casablanca dealer obviously since the beginning, and they were probably an official Casablanca dealer the whole time. But in 87, they're now advertising as a authorized Casablanca dealer. No change until 91, when they are advertising Casablanca, Hunter, and Pasadena fans. In 1992, they are now advertising Emerson fans. In 1994, HansenWholesale.com becomes a website and is the first mainstream ceiling fan sales website. That is 94. In 1996, their lineup now offers Casablanca, Emerson, Minka, Hunter, and Leading Edge. That's 1996. And I'm going to stop at 96 because archive.org has the Hansen Wholesale website from 96 to present. So if you want to see what they sold from 1996 to present, you can go back to any year and see their website, and it's there. So that's 96. I am going to skip ahead to 2001 because this is the last time they used the term Old Time Ceiling Fan Company, and this is also the year their retail store is closed. So I'm guessing that perhaps the retail store was always the Old Time Ceiling Fan Company, and I don't know what their signage would have said, but that term and the retail store are done as of 2001. Okay, that is Hansen Wholesale Fan Company. But I told you there was another. In Utah, there's Hansen Wholesale Electric. And this gets even more confusing because in 1925, Hansen Wholesale Electric is founded by John F. Hansen in Salt Lake City. I don't know I don't know when that company was closed, but in 1944, John F. Hansen passes away, and there's no more mention of Hansen Wholesale Electric until 1961, when another company, also called Hansen Wholesale Electric, is founded by Donald G. Hansen. Now keep in mind, one of the founders of Hansen Wholesale Fan Company was Don Hansen. Different Don Hansen. 1961, because the Don Hansen here in Utah never did any business outside of Utah. His Hansen Wholesale Electric was founded in 1961. In 1981, they become a Hunter dealer. In 1983, they become a Casablanca dealer. In 1996, that is the last mention of the business. That may or may not be when they went out of business. And in 2014, Donald G. Hansen passes away. Okay, so we covered 4 different Hansen fan companies, or fan-related companies. Hansen companies that either made or sold fans. I won't even get into the fact, because you remember Hansen Wholesale was founded as the Old Time Ceiling Fan Company. There were multiple fan retailers or manufacturers or resellers that were called the Old Time Fan Company, Old Time Ceiling Fan Co, etc. I think there was one in Pennsylvania. Coincidentally, there was one in Utah as well. So once you open that can of worms, it gets even more complicated. But those are the fan Hansens. Hansen Manufacturing, that made really cool cages with lights for fans and then turned into a retail store. Hansen Wholesale Fan Company, that started out as a retail store that also made ornate attachments for originals and turned into a website. And then Hansen Wholesale Electric, which was like Becker Lighting. It was just a lighting and commercial electric company that sold fans and was an authorized dealer for fan brands. Okay, I hope you've learned a lot in this video. I know I did. Please, I'm not making it up when I say I learned new things every time I did this. In fact, if you watch my outtakes reel, in the first outtake, I start talking, and then I say, oh, I need to figure out what cities these are in, because I knew they were in Florida and California, but I wanted to have the exact cities. I went back and looked them up anew, and it wasn't until then that I found it out? We're not doing an outtake now, we're at the end, I'm doing an outro. That I found out that Hansen Wholesale of Utah, founded in 1925, existed. I didn't even see them until I started looking for that final time. So I'd already started recording the video, and I said, well, let me go and find some more information because I want some more details. And I learned whole new things. So I'm dead serious when I say I learn new stuff from these Workbench videos, just like I'm sure you do. So I hope you value them as much as I do. We're going to do a lot more of them until I run out of ideas. Please like, comment, subscribe, show them to your friends. Everybody needs to see these. Everybody needs to learn more about the cool world of ceiling fans. We're going to do plenty more of them, so keep watching. Thanks for watching. This video is sponsored by Fanstick. Bye, Fanstick.